Hello, Red here, and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Red, and I make various content as a creator on YouTube. I like to make tutorials, time lapses, and cover topics like art blocks. Personally, I've seen a lot of artists out there that get very overwhelmed by this sort of short form content, and I want to be this change that brings some more slow and methodical approach to creating, so you don't get overwhelmed and you can actually focus on creating, and the information you actually get you retain. I usually post bi-weekly videos on Fridays. That may change in the future, but for now I'm focusing on bi-weekly videos where I cover various topics, and I'm in the process of creating a community where we can help each other create, and not so much on obstacles of creating. So if you're more interested in my content, I definitely recommend checking it out, and be sure to subscribe if you want to keep updated on my content. So yeah, I hope I can be a guide for you on your journey as a creative, and hope to see you in the next one.